Welcome to MQLrobotEAs. In this video, we'll explore a powerful yet simple expert advisor built entirely with FXdreema without writing a single line of code. This EA is called RSI Two Periods EA, a trend reversal strategy that uses RSI signals across multiple timeframes to filter buy or sell opportunities with high precision. Let's break it down step by step. The RSI Two Periods EA uses two key RSI values: RSI value buy to trigger buy signals, RSI value sell to trigger sell signals. We combine these conditions across up to 10 RSI checks, each possibly using different time frames or symbols to validate a trade entry. This gives the system better accuracy and reduces false signals often seen with single-period RSI strategies. On the left side of the logic, we see the buy order logic. Each orange block checks whether the RSI is below the defined buy level, using different time frames like D1, H4, or H1. If any of the 10 conditions return true, and there's no existing buy trade, the EA waits for confirmation and sends a buy now command. This is also limited to one trade per bar to avoid overtrading. On the right side, the logic mirrors the buy side, but for sell orders. Here, the EA looks for RSI values above the defined sell level. If any of the RSI sell blocks are triggered and no existing sell trades are open, the EA sends a sell now order. Again, this is capped to just one trade per candle. Risk parameters are customizable. Lot size, stop loss in pips, take profit in pips. All are controlled via the constants block, allowing fast adjustments for testing or optimization. This EA structure is extremely flexible. You can modify the number of RSI filters, change RSI periods or levels, add additional confirmation indicators. It's great for both trending and range markets when adjusted correctly. Before using this EA in live trading, fully understand the strategy logic, test on demo accounts, run backtest with 99.9% tick data, adjust for proper money management and drawdown control. If you want to learn more or download this project logic, visit MQLrobot.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, MQLrobotEAs, for more no-code EA builds using FXdreema. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.